Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to explain about just-in-time JAT technique. What is JAT? So JAT is a set of techniques to increase the productivity, improve the quality and reduce cost of an operations. JAT aims to ensure that inputs into the production process only arrive when they are needed. Just in time will gives you an idea about what you want, when you want it and how much you want it in a production process. Just in time will gives you an idea about what you want, when you want it and how much you want it in a production process. JIT technique was invented by Talchi Wono in the year 1978. It is a technique about making many more with the same fewer resources of products at the same time because of scarce resources. So if a production line of 10 men improves the production by 25%, then the original volume can now be produced by 8 men. Ono would suggest that the extra 2 people can be used in other ways, and if not, then they should be made redundant. The basic aim of JIT just in time is to maintain zero inventory and to have a zero number of failures, zero lead time and zero delay. So by using of just in time technique, we cannot able to put more efforts on inventory and we cannot able to take more number of delays, failures as well as increasing of the number of defects in a production process. So the main principles of just-in-time manufacturing is total quality management, production management, supplier management, inventory management, human resource management. So by using of JIT technique, we can improve the total quality of the production process and also we can improve the number of products that was produced in a day, and the healthy relationship should be maintained in between the employer and the supplier. By using of JIT technique, we can reduce the burden for maintaining of inventory and also to develop the human resource by providing of training and developmental facilities by this kind of techniques. Here is the advantages of just in time. So by using of just in time, we can reduce the inventory, improves the quality, lowers the cost, reduced space requirements in an inventory and reduces the lead time that was taken in the production process, and we can reduce the time and increase the productivity. So flexibility should be there in this kind of production process. We can reduce the scrap. Better relations should be maintained with the suppliers. Simplified scheduling and controlling activities increases the capacity, increased equipment utilization, better use of human resources and more product variety, reduced need for indirect labor. And some more disadvantages are also there in the JIT technique. So that is danger of disrupted production due to non-arrival of supplies. In absence of the goods in the production process, that may leads to some disruption in the production process. Danger of lost sales, high dependency on suppliers, less time for quality control on arrival of materials, and increased ordering and admin costs may lose bulk buying discounts. These are some of the companies which is using of JIT technique in their respective companies for producing of the products. Hope you can understand the concept. Thank you.